I'm just going to start by saying that what I'm about to show is just to try to give an overview. We've been talking a lot about what kind of world is this? Are we dealing with a dome? And are there then 10 different domes and each dome is a course? Or are we dealing more with a wild landscape where we place courses in this landscape? And I think the consensus we've reached is that it would be really cool and it would tie really well into the sport if we make a huge map of a place. It's like the wilderness, maybe it's an enclosed wilderness, it could be in a dome or something like that, of about maybe 2 to 3 by 2 to 3 kilometers big.
Next slide.
And then choose an area in that terrain. So let's imagine that this is our landscape, and then we choose an area that would be cool to create a course in. Then we have a level designer and an artist who cooperate on creating a level in that area. And that means placing objects, both natural and man-made objects, to make sure that the course is fun. And the first time somebody starts working on an area, they can actually terraform it to some extent. But of course you can't move mountains because that's probably going to mess up with the next level next door. But that's the thought right now, that we have a place that we dream up a landscape, and then a level designer and an artist can work on an area to try and create the best possible gameplay in that area. And of course, at some point, we'll have this map filled up. But the cool thing is that then we can actually start creating courses that are intersecting and overlapping, and we can probably get a lot of levels out of this. And in the long run, we'll also probably be able to let the audience or let the players create their own courses in this landscape. So we actually get closer to the fulfillment. So we hope we can actually gain quite a lot by looking at it this way. So it also, in my mind, it does a lot to the sport, because it becomes a course in a place and not everything's created. It's not an obstacle course like Ninja Warrior. It's more somebody has actually set up this fantastic course in a specific place. And we get the big vistas and all those things that actually makes it look cool as well.